Basic Algebra, practice number 3. The temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit is the point at which mercury will boil. Since Fahrenheit and Celsius temperatures are related by the formula given, to the nearest degree, which of the following is the boiling point of mercury in degrees Celsius? I'm going to substitute 375 in for F. As a reminder, we want to solve this as quickly as possible for C. So to isolate the C, I want to remove the number that's not touching the C, which is positive 32. The inverse operation of adding 32 is subtracting 32. If you can do this quickly by hand, then do so. If not, grab a calculator. And now opposite of multiplying is dividing. So we can divide on a calculator, or we could multiply by the reciprocal. Both ways will achieve the correct answer. The 9's cancel, turning into 1's. The 5's cancel, turning into 1's. And now using a calculator, make sure to use parentheses. 5 divided by 9 times 343. And it says round to the nearest degree, which would be 191 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is option E. Please flip to the back. You have 1 minute, begin. And stop. Going over independent practice number 2. In a certain situation, the maximum height h in meters that a ball bounces is given by the following equation, where F is the force in newtons with which the ball is bounced. What force in newtons must be applied for the height to be 0.22 meters? So it says, what force? I want to solve for F. What force? And I'm going to substitute in this value for H. And then going to solve just like we did in the first problem. To isolate the F, we're going to remove the number that's not touching it. And the inverse operation of subtracting is adding. And if you're able to add quicker by hand, please do so. If not, grab a calculator. And to remove the 3/5, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. In doing so, the 3's cancel, turning into 1's, and the 5's cancel, turning into 1's, and you're left with F. Remember to use parentheses. 0.4, correct answer is D.